Yo, what is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today we're gonna be skipping school on the IENYRID M4 electric scooter. So basically what I gotta do this morning is that I gotta go to the gas station and get snacks because someone was paying me to buy them snacks, right? And so that's cool, right? But the only problem is that I literally don't have money to even buy the snacks. So that's why I texted one of my homies, asked him if he could cash out me $10. He said yeah, so yeah, now we're chilling. But before we go to the gas station, I'm gonna be riding around a little bit, so yeah. Guys, we are in NIU campus right now. I'm skipping like the first couple of periods because I'm not trying to go to school right now. But yeah, I'm in NIU campus right now. My homie did send the $10, so we're chilling. When I'm done chilling here, I'm gonna go to the gas station. But yeah, right now I'm just on my phone enjoying the view. Not really that good of a view, but yeah. Alright guys, we are in the track. I am on the way to the gas station right now because, as I said, I gotta get those snacks because I gotta sell them to someone. So yeah, I'm on my way to the gas station right now. Made it to the gas stations, got some snacks, so we're good now. Alright guys, right now we are at a baseball field near my school, and I just came back from the gas station, and I didn't just get 2, I got 3 monsters. I was supposed to get 2 for the people that were buying it from me, but it was buy 2 get 1 free, so it's a W. So I got one for myself, so I'm gonna sit here, enjoy my monster, and then ride back to the school. See ya. Alright guys, we are done with the monster, but now sadly we're gonna have to go back to the school. Alright guys, we made it to the school. This is the end of the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what I should post next. But yeah, have a good one.